me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on the dotted. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girlfriend T. I'm Freddy, and I'm finally back with another video. In today's video, like, girl, I can't talk. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, today is a collaboration with UNice hair. I am going to be unboxing their headband wig that I have on right now. Yeah, like, who doesn't love like a quick, easy, cute headband wig? Girl, it's perfect for summer. If you guys want to see how I put on this headband wig, just keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know, join the fam. Yeah, and let's just go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so this is the packaging that the unit came in, and it came with a what a thing called wig cap and a cute little headband, and it came with like silver girl, it came with a lot of headbands. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, y'all, it came with a lot of headbands, which I thought was really nice. So this is their 24-inch straight headband wig, and look, y'all, yet another headband. And this is the headband itself that you strap in the back to, you know, to make it like tighter or looser if you like. And you can definitely leave the original black headband on, but of course I wanted to jazz it up. And it comes with 3 different combs, 1 at the nape, 2 at the sides, and an adjustable strap in the back as well. All right, guys, so I went ahead and put on the stocking cap, and I did a little bit of baby hairs because I thought it would just bring the look together. I thought it made the headband wig look really cute with a little bit of I don't know if you will even call these baby hairs. I don't know, child. I'll try to do something with my edges. All right, guys, so this is what the unit looks like on, and what I did, I folded the headband back just so like my baby hairs can show, well, just so my edges can show, because I don't even think these baby hairs at this point. And this is how long the unit is hitting on me. Like I said, this unit is 24 inches. It had a little bit of a curl at the end. And I chose this headband because it matches my shirt. And it's super girly, springy, summery. And I thought it was like the perfect color. You guys can keep the black headband on if you want to. But, you know, I had to jazz it up a little bit. Super pretty, super silky. It had no tangles, no shedding, none of that. And then I just slightly ran my flat iron through the hair just to get that little curl at the end out. And yeah, y'all, that's basically all I did to the unit. It doesn't take much, girl. It was under 10 minutes. I threw this wig on and played with it a little bit. This is super cute, easy for summer, y'all. It's like super easy and cute. All right, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.
Do it again. Oh, no. See me poppin', I'm a blossom. I don't need a Batman to my Robin. I'm official on the dotted. You can hear the vroom vroom in my Rari. I'm not sorry, no, I'm not sorry. It's official, I'm a problem. I done made it this far, I'm not sorry.